This is the Alpaka Atom X limited edition, the compact everyday carrying sling bag that comes with a design that encourages you to attach rather than to put things in the bag. There are quite a number of scenarios where I find this Atom X very handy, like using it to pack my Tello drone for a flying trip at the park. Let's take a look at how I use this rather unique one-of-a-kind everyday carrying bag. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. The Atom X have three compartments. In the front compartment, there is a keychain holder. The front compartment also has an antimicrobial lining that inhibits or kills microorganisms. I don't know how effective that is in terms of sanitizing our phone in that compartment. When I open the main compartment, I'm greeted with this limited edition orange color inner lining. I really like this color combination. The main compartment has two stretchy pockets, which are deep enough to vertically store my Galaxy A11. There is also another tiny back pocket that fits my Galaxy Note 10 just nice. I really like Alpaka bags because of their attention to every detail and their choice of quality material used for their bags. Even for such a compact sling bag like Atom X, they use a heavy-duty carrying strap that is similar to seat belts material in cars. The strap is very strong and smooth to slide. The most unique part about this Atom X is the three stripes at the front, which let us hook our quick access item. Apart from the carabiner hooks I attach for myself, we can also attach the Alpaka accessories like their magnetic anchors. I've got both the old and the new version of the magnetic attachment anchor. The new plastic MagLockz version is a lot more compact and easy to clamp. The previous nylon version is bulkier, but it does have other loops to attach the stabilizing stripe or maybe a carabiner hook. As with the magnetic red pull tab, there is a new version that comes with the Alpaka Hub. The new black pull tab is a lot more discreet and a lot nicer than the red old ones. Watch my Bravo X Sling video for more details of how strong this magnetic attachment stays in place. These are the best parts I like about Alpaka's bag design. Very innovative magnetic attachments and the magnetic buckle. Speaking of the magnetic buckle, just like I mentioned in my Alpaka Bravo X review video, this Atom X also has Alpaka's quick release buckle design, which snaps on like magic. I've used this buckle for more than 9 months now on my Bravo X without it failing me. But I noticed one thing. I realized the buckle on the Atom X is actually on the other side, the less convenient side. With the Bravo X, it's very easy for me to sling on my left shoulder and unbuckle with my right hand. And with Atom X, everything is the opposite. To unbuckle easily, I need to sling on my right shoulder and unbuckle using my left hand, which is my non-master hand. Now that is something to consider if you normally sling on your right or left shoulder. What would be really nice is if there are magnetic buckles on both sides. This not only allows us to unbuckle from either side, it actually makes the entire sling strap removable. There are times where I wish the strap was removable, like when I use the Atom X as a second bag. See how flat it is and how easily I can slot it into the laptop compartment of my crumpler backpack. And when I pack for my Aikido martial art class, my phone, wallet, hand sanitizer, and all those loose items are usually roaming about in my duffel bag. Atom X is a really handy second bag for me to pack all those items, and because of its flat pack design, it doesn't add any bulk and hardly take up any space in my duffel bag. Initially, I thought the Atom X flat pack design will be impractical and won't be able to carry much. But I was wrong. It's actually one of its biggest pros. This Atom X grew on me as I realized I can pack a fair amount of gear in it because of its width. If we have a lot of flat items like battery packs, USB cables, wallet, phone, even Nintendo Switch, they should all be able to go in. The size of this Atom X is also perfect for my Tello drone. I love it when I slide open the zippers. My Tello is peeking out looking at me, eagerly asking me to fly it. I know, it's just a drone. My mini Tello drone is so much fun. There are quite a number of good reviews videos reviewing this Tello drone. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like me to review it and get my perspective on this drone. It's one of the smallest drones that is closest to a full-fledged DJI drone. I really enjoy this big kid's toy a lot. And it's so small and compact and convenient, I can even hook it on my Atom X when I'm walking about in the park. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you the zipper hook feature. Alpaka has made the zipper into a tiny carabiner hook. They designed it as a security feature for the zippers to hook onto the wire loop, so strangers can't easily unzip our Atom X. It is so secure to the extent that it is quite difficult even for us to unhook it ourselves. Or maybe I'm just not used to it. Now, security and convenience is always a difficult one to strike a balance. PackSafe has done quite a good job for this zipper lock feature. Watch my other videos on this PackSafe pouch review if you haven't watched it already. Luckily, I don't intend to use these Atom X features to keep things secure. I'm actually using the wire loops to attach more carabiner hooks to hang my Atom X. Yes, more carabiner hooks. If you have followed me and my channel long enough, you would have known I love carabiner hooks. I didn't expect to be using this Alpaka Atom X Sling bag in so many of my packing scenarios. It's hard to fully show you how useful it is on the screen. With the innovative magnetic design and quality materials like the waterproof zippers and the sling stripes, you will have to see it for yourself to know how good the quality are. If you like my perspective on tech gear and carrying bags, remember to subscribe now so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Thanks to Alpaka for making this video possible by sending me this limited edition Atom X and its accessories. However, this is not a sponsored video. The thoughts and opinion expressed in this video are entirely my own. The manufacturer Alpaka was not provided with an early sample preview of this video and is seeing this video for the first time alongside you. Remember to leave a comment down below and let me know what do you think of the Atom X everyday carrying sling bag. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone.